We're going to have some fun learning about reading a map and how to look at a map and find out what you're going to do, where you're going, and how long it's going to take you to get there. So we're going to start with this map over here. Notice we have a post office, we have a school, we have Carmen's Cafe, Linda's Farm, Victor's house, that's going to be important, Bob's Deli, and the firehouse. And we've got Hillside Park up here. So step one, it says Victor can ride 1 mile in 5 minutes on his bicycle. How long will it take Victor to get from his house to Bob's Deli? Well, here's Bob's Deli. Let's get my pen. This is Bob's Deli up here. And this is Victor's house down here. Now, if you look at the map, you're going to find out how many miles altogether it is from Victor's house to Bob's Deli. From Victor's house to here is 4 miles. And then that's the post office. And then it's 1 more mile to the school. And then it's 5 more miles up to Bob's Deli. So, altogether, it is from Victor's house to Bob's Deli 5 plus 1 plus 4, or 10 miles. Okay? Now, step 3 is Victor rides 1 mile in 5 minutes. So, you need to multiply to find out how long it will take him to ride 10 miles. So, if he rides 1 mile in 5 minutes, multiply it by 10. 10 times 5 equals 50 minutes. Notice it's labeled minutes, not just 50. So it takes Victor 50 minutes to ride to Bob's Deli. Let's try to do problem 1 together. How long will it take Victor to ride his bicycle from his house to Meg's house? Where is Meg? Oh, here's Meg right here. Now, even though her name is written down here, it's this dot right here that refers to her house. So, it would be like Victor riding to Bob's Deli, but then he turns right and goes 2 more miles to Meg's house. So we knew from Victor's house to Bob's Deli was 10 miles. And it's 2 more miles to get to Meg's house. 10 plus 2 equals 12. I'm going to go back. I did a math problem here, but I want to revisit what's the question. How long, not how many miles, how long will it take Victor to ride his bike from his house to Meg's house? Well, it's 12 miles. Miles can be abbreviated MI. So I'm going to take 12 times 5. And because I practiced my multiplication, I know that 12 times 5 equals 60. I could also count on my hand by 5s. But one other thing, if I'm just learning how to do multiplication, I could go back to this problem where it says 10 times 5 equals 50. So I know that 10 times 5 equals 50. So then I just have to know what 2 times 5 is. So 2 5s equals 10. So then if I add them together, I will get my total of 60 minutes. Anybody know how else we can say 60 minutes if we know our measurements of time? We wouldn't have to say it in minutes. We could say it in a different increment. And I'm going to let you try and figure that one out, what I'm looking for. Question number 2, you're going to do on your own. And then the rest of the packet you will work alone. Have fun reading maps.